In our previous session, we discussed varied components of operation strategy. So today, we are going to explore a very new topic, and that is about manufacturing strategies. Imagine you are the operations manager of a growing electronics company. So you need to decide between a mass production system for efficiency or a flexible manufacturing system to meet diverse consumer or customer demands. So how would you choose the right system over here? Additionally, how would your decision align with your company's manufacturing and service strategy to stay competitive? At the end of this topic, you will be able to define types of production system practiced. You'll be able to explain different types of manufacturing and service strategies. To begin with, it's essential to understand that competitive priorities in manufacturing processes are crucial in defining how organizations position themselves in the market and meet customer expectations. These priorities typically include cost, quality, time, and flexibility, each contributing to the overall effectiveness of the cost focuses on minimizing expenses while maintaining acceptable quality levels, enabling companies to offer competitive pricing and improve profitability. Quality emphasizes delivering products that meet or exceed customer standards, fostering loyalty and brand reputation. Time highlights the importance of quick response times, ensuring timely delivery and enhancing customer satisfaction. Finally, flexibility allows manufacturers to adapt to changing market demands, accommodating variations in product specifications and production schedules. By strategically prioritizing these dimensions, organizations can optimize their manufacturing processes, achieve operational excellence, and maintain a competitive edge in a dynamic marketplace. To lay a solid foundation, let's first look at the manufacturing industry, which often adopts systems tailored to specific demands. This adaptability allows for efficiency and responsiveness to market needs. We will now explore the three primary types of production systems practiced. They are batch production, mass production, and customized production. The first one is batch production. Batch production involves manufacturing products in groups or batches rather than individually or in a continuous flow. This approach is suitable for companies that need to produce a moderate quantity of items with some variation. For example, a bakery might use batch production to bake different types of bread, allowing for flexibility in responding to customer orders while still optimizing resources use. Second is mass production. Mass production is characterized by continuous manufacturing of large quantities of identical products, typically using assembly line techniques. This method focuses on efficiency, consistency, and cost reduction, making it ideal for high demand items. For instance, automobile manufacturers employ mass production to assemble thousands of vehicles each day, enabling them to benefit from economies of scale while meeting consumer demand. Third is customized production. Customized production, also known as make to order or bespoke production, focuses on creating products tailored to individual customer specifications. This strategy allows manufacturers to offer unique solutions that meet specific needs, albeit often at a higher cost. For example, a custom furniture maker might design and produce one-of-a-kind pieces based on client preferences, ensuring high customer satisfaction and loyalty. These strategies serve different market demands and production environment, influencing how companies manage their inventory and respond to customer needs. Let's look more closely at three distinct manufacturing strategies. Number one, make to stock. Make to stock, often termed as MTS, is a manufacturing strategy where products are produced in advance and stored in inventory until customer demand arises. This approach is ideal for high demand, standardized products, enabling quick fulfillment. For example, a company producing soft drinks typically uses MTS, manufacturing large quantities of beverages and storing them for immediate distribution to retailers when orders are placed. Second step is assemble to order. Conversely, assemble to order, often termed as ATO, involves manufacturing components or sub-assemblies in advance and then assembling them into final products only after receiving customer orders. This strategy allows for a balance between inventory management and customization. For instance, a computer manufacturer might keep various components like processors, memory, and hard drives in stock and assemble the final product based on the specific configuration requested by a customer. Make to order. Lastly, make to order, often termed as MTO, is a manufacturing strategy where products are only made after a customer places an order, allowing for complete customization to meet individual specifications. This approach is suitable for low volume, high variety production. For example, a custom jewelry maker uses MTO, creating unique pieces tailored to each client's preferences, which ensures exclusivity and meets specific customer desires. Transitioning from manufacturing, let's explore service strategies, which employ similar approaches: standardized services, customized services, and assemble to order strategies. To optimize service delivery and meet customer needs effectively, standardized services involve creating uniform service offerings that cater to a broad audience, ensuring efficiency and consistency in service delivery. For instance, services like credit cards and internet plans are designed to provide standardized features and benefits, allowing customers to select from a range of options that suit their requirements. In contrast, customized services focus on tailoring offerings to individual customer preferences, providing a more personalized experiences. This strategy is commonly used in industries such as hospitality and consulting, where services can be adapted to meet specific client needs. Lastly, the assemble to order strategy in services allows organizations to create a combination of standard services based on customer request, providing flexibility while maintaining efficiency. Overall, these strategies ensure that service operations are designed to deliver value, enhance customer satisfaction, and foster long-term loyalty. Now, let's shift our focus to the global strategies that organizations pursue at the corporate level to enhance their competitive edge and operational efficiency. One key aspect of these global strategies is the sourcing of components, parts, or services from foreign markets, enabling companies to reduce cost and improve product quality while competing against traditional domestic competitors. Two effective global level strategies include forming strategic alliances and establishing location operations abroad with the comprehensive after sales support. So we will now discuss both the global strategies in detail, starting with strategic alliances. A strategic alliance is a cooperative agreement between two or more companies to pursue a set of agreed upon objectives while remaining independent organizations. This partnership allows companies to leverage each other's strengths without the complexities of merging. For example, a food and beverage company might partner with a logistics firm to enhance its distribution capabilities, ensuring timely delivery and reducing cost. It can be of three types, such as in this first is collaboration. Collaboration involves working together across organizational boundaries to achieve shared goals, often involving multiple stakeholders. This approach encourages the exchange of ideas and resources, leading to innovation and improved performance. An example of collaboration can be seen in the automotive industry, where various manufacturers come together to develop new technologies such as electric vehicle batteries, pooling their expertise to advance sustainable transportation solutions. Second is joint venture. A joint venture is a specific type of strategic alliance where two or more parties create a new entity, sharing resources, risks, and rewards. This arrangement allows companies to enter new markets and share investment cost. For instance, a Western company might form a joint venture with a local firm in a foreign market to produce consumer electronics, combining local market knowledge with advanced technology. Third is technology transfer and licensing. Technology transfer and licensing involves sharing proprietary technology or knowledge between companies, often through formal agreements. This strategy allows organizations to access innovations without significant investment in research and development. For example, a pharmaceutical company may license its drug formulation technology to a manufacturer in a different country, enabling local production while receiving royalties in return, thus expanding market reach with reduced risk. Now let's focus on the second type of global strategy: locating operations abroad and after-sales support. Locating operations abroad and providing after-sales support is a strategic approach that companies adopt to enter and penetrate new markets effectively. By establishing manufacturing operations in a foreign country, organizations can reduce transportation costs, tailor products to local preferences, and respond more quickly to market demands. This strategy not only enhances operational efficiency but also fosters a deeper connection with the local customers. For example, McDonald's has successfully set up numerous restaurants worldwide, adapting its menu to reflect regional taste while maintaining its core offerings. Similarly, Domino's Pizza has expanded its operations globally by establishing local franchises, which allows the company to deliver fresh pizzas quickly and cater to specific customer preferences in various countries. Additionally, providing robust after-sales support in these markets is essential for building customer loyalty and ensuring satisfaction, ultimately leading to sustained growth and competitive advantage in the global marketplace. In this session, we have learnt about varied types of production systems that are practiced in manufacturing sector. We have also learnt about manufacturing strategies along with the service level strategies. We have also dived very deep into about global strategies and the role of operation strategy in competitive market. That's all for today. Thank you. Happy learning.